It's summertime, so let's make a Greek cucumber tomato feta salad. All right, what we're going to do here, we're going to start off by using 1/8 of a cup of olive oil. You want to make sure that you use a really good olive oil. It really does make a difference. To that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. One teaspoon of minced garlic. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Just going to give that a really nice mix. We're going to let that set and marinate just for a few minutes, give it a little extra flavor. So now let's go out to the garden and get some tomatoes and some parsley. We're going to start off, we need 1 pint of cherry tomatoes. And then we're doing 1/8 of a cup of fresh parsley. We're going to use, since there's only 2 of us, we're going to use 1/2 of an English cucumber. I'm just going to make it, cut it into small slices. Once we get our cucumber slice, we're going to take our cherry tomatoes. We're just going to cut these all in half. We're going to go ahead and add that to our bowl here. Whoa, as I drop one into the floor. No one will ever see those messes. All right, now we're going to take our onion. We're going to slice 1/4 of a red onion. I'm going to do these into slices to put in. So I'm just going to kind of slice them this way and try not to cut myself. Cut them in half, so they're pretty substantial slices, and just kind of sprinkle those on in. Just going to give that a little mix. I'm just going to use my hands there. Then we're going to add our salad dressing. Toss to coat that. We want to make sure that everything is completely coated. So every bite has a flavor, some flavor of that dressing. And then we're going to use about 4 ounces of crumbled feta cheese. Sprinkle that on top for now. And then we're going to set this in the refrigerator and let it marinate for about an hour. All right, we put that in the refrigerator after an hour. All those flavors have marinated. It's really good. It tastes really good. We tried it. Now we're going to add 1/8 of a cup of that fresh parsley. Kind of toss that in there. Mix it all in. And you know the rules. We've got to taste it. So we're going to grab one of these little pieces of cucumber. Oh, let's take that cucumber. Good piece of onion on it. Taste it. That's good. Give this recipe a try. It's a great summer recipe.